Another day, another English lesson. Supposed to versus supposedly. Hey everyone. Today we're looking at two expressions that often get mixed up, supposed to and supposedly. They look similar, but they do very different jobs in a sentence. Supposed to is about expectations, obligations, or plans. Use it when something should happen according to a rule, a schedule, or an agreement. It always needs a form of be before it. For example, I am supposed to be at work by 9 a.m. Supposedly is an adverb that means, according to what people say or claim. Use it when you're reporting what others believe, but you're not sure if it's actually true. For example, he is supposedly a great cook. Here's a tricky part. Supposedly goes before the main verb, but if there's a form of be or an auxiliary verb, like will, have, has, it goes after. Notice the difference. She is supposedly at home. He will supposedly call later. She supposedly grew up in France. Now you try. Complete each sentence with the correct form of supposedly or be supposed to. One. The new restaurant supposedly has the best pizza in town, but I thought it was just okay. Two. I am supposed to finish this report by Friday, but my boss keeps giving me other tasks. Three. Our neighbor supposedly won the lottery, but no one has been able to confirm it. Four. According to an anonymous source, the CEO will supposedly step down next month, but the board has not confirmed it. Five. You are supposed to arrive at work by 8:30, it's in your contract. Six. We are supposed to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m., or we'll lose our reservation. Seven. My sister was supposed to pick me up at the airport, but her car broke down, so she couldn't. Eight. The new security system supposedly cost over $1 million, but the company has not confirmed the figure. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.